Ladies and gentlemen, gather round because today we're taking a time-traveling detour straight into camping history with the 1947 Kit Kamper, the teardrop trailer that basically said, "Who needs space when you have style?" and a mattress that won't kill your back. This thing is so old, it probably remembers when gas was 17 cents a gallon and people thought Spam was gourmet. And guess what? It's being sold with no reserve, which means someone's about to own a piece of World War II camping heritage without mortgaging their house. Now, back to our aluminum acorn. The 1947 Kit Kamper is basically the great-granddaddy of all teardrop trailers. It was born right after World War II, when soldiers came home and said, "Honey, let's sleep in something that looks like a submarine on wheels." Measuring just under 11 feet, 3.35 meters long, and weighing around 950 pounds, 430 kilograms, this camper was built from surplus war materials, aluminum skin, fiberglass panels, and even Jeep wheels salvaged from sunken military ships. It's like MacGyver built a mobile love nest. Inside, you get red-striped fabric walls, because fashion never dies, and a carpeted floor that probably has seen more stories than my neighbor Dave at a barbecue. There's no built-in bed, which means you can bring your own memory foam mattress, yoga mat, or beanbag throne, whatever keeps your back from rebelling. Now, let's talk galley. Pop open the rear hatch, and boom, you're in the 1940s chef zone. A 2-burner propane stove, non-functional without an old-school fitting, an icebox that's just classy enough to make modern fridges insecure, and aluminum countertops that could blind you in sunlight. There's even a tiny storage cubby, perfect for, I don't know, your dreams of modern plumbing. The whole setup is delightfully minimalist. Just you, the open road, and enough post-war charm to make Eisenhower smile. Well, bring a trailer doesn't do price caps, but based on condition and nostalgia, I think it'll fetch somewhere between $8,000 to $12,000 USD, €7,500 to €11,000. And honestly, for a rolling museum piece, that's not bad. So, if you're the kind of person who believes camping should be about experience, not floor space, and you want a trailer that makes strangers say, "Wait, is that vintage?" the Kit Kamper might just be your next adventure sidekick.